phone. Have you remembered right how to handle CSV files, handling binary data images? How you can able to handle? Next and after that, handling CSV files, how to read the data, how you can able to write the data like we covered right. Next and after that, zipping and unzipping. Regarding you can able to perform zipping and unzipping operations also, no problem at all. What is the main advantage of zip operation or unzip operation? Compression, sir, to improve memory utilization, we can reduce transportation time, we can improve performance. Are you getting like so there are several advantages are there, several advantages are there, sir. Okay, make sure. Next, my requirement is, can you please create a zip file? Srikant, we will discuss on. Sir, we will sir, some I want to create zip file. Observe that to create a zip file, sir, what is the code we have to take? Sir, which modules are there, we have to create, do you know, to perform zip and unzip operations. Python contain one inbuilt module. What is the name of the module, sir? Zip file. Have you remembered in the last session I covered, sir? What is the module name? Zip file. Okay, so this zip file module contain one class. What is that class, right? Zip. What is that class name? Zip file. Observe the difference between first line and second line, sir. This one is a module name, this one is the module name, this one is the class name. Regarding this is the class name, sir. Next, how you can able to create an object and so on, we covered already. Sir, my requirement is, I have multiple files are there. Assume that there are some text files I want to take, sir. File 1 contain, sir, just Dhoni. Next and after that, Kohli. Next, Rohit Dhawan. Okay, sir, Dhawan. Okay, like Rohit Dhawan, like these content available inside cricketers. Okay, sir, inside cricketers, sir, cricketers dot txt file, sir. Assume that this is my .txt file. Next and after that, any other, sir? Okay, Salman. Okay, Salman. Next, any other? Shahrukh. Okay, Salman, Shahrukh. Next and after that, can you please Sanjay. Okay, some Salman, Shahrukh, Sanjay, and here in Telugu we have Mahesh. Next and after that, Prabhas. Okay, like we are keeping, sir, these are heroes dot txt. Okay, heroes dot txt file. Assume that, sir, txt file. Okay, like similarly, sir, I can take here just do you know Sunny? Okay, Mallika. Next and after that, Malaika. Okay, Vena Malik. Okay, like these people are just a social, what we call what social service people, right? Okay, like so anyway, yes, survey, social service. Okay, social. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. Okay, like just I have three files are available, right? Remember that, sir. Total cricketers is there. Next and after that, heroes is available. Next and after that, social service people are available, right? Okay, like total three files are available, right? Now my requirement is, what I want to do is, sir, I want to create a zip file with these three files. Remember this one, sir. I want to create a zip file with these three files, sir. How you can able to do that, sir? Okay, very simple. Observe that very carefully, sir. Here I'm taking, sir, sir, I'm taking zip file. But anyway, if you want to use sir, zip file class, compulsory you require to import. Can I spell out, sir? From zip file, import star. Are you getting? From zip file, import star. Okay, like sir, f is equal to zip file. I'm creating an object. Sir, which arguments are available, right? Okay, what is the name? What is the name of the zip file? Files dot zip. Are you getting? What is the name of the zip file? Files dot zip, sir. So now I have to create this file. So with the write mode, right? Next and after that, some constant is there. Zip deflated. Are you getting? Zip deflated. Okay, like Sir, this constant representing that we are creating zip file. Remember this one, sir. This constant is going to represent that we are creating zip file like this, right? So we are just creating zip file, but with what files we have to create, sir? With what files we have to create? F for that, write what is the name of the first file? Can you please tell what is the name of the first file, sir? Cricketers. Okay, here cricketers like cricketers like .txt. This is the name of the first file. Next, similarly, what is the name of the second file, sir? Just I'm taking heroes. Okay, heroes.txt. Next, and after that, okay, social.txt. like this I'm taking, sir. That's all. So these are with these three things, I want to create one zip file. Okay, f dot close. F dot close. Next, print. Sir, just I'm taking. So files dot zip file. Files dot zip file created successfully. Okay, created successfully. Like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, just observe a bit very carefully, sir. Sir, my current working directory is d colon. My current working directory is d colon Durga classes. You know, d colon Durga classes. In the d colon Durga classes, you know, there is no zip file, no zip file kind of thing. Okay, so now what I want to take here is just let me execute this code. Py test.py. Are you getting? Py test.py. So zip file got created or not? Let me cross check, sir. Yes, ma'am. Files.jp. Sir, have you observed the time also? Files.jp. It's just got created, sir. 8:37. Just observe that both the times are same or not? Yes, it's got created, right? So if you want extract this, if I extract cricketers.txt, next and after that heroes and social, by default is there. I hope everyone can able to understand, right? So how to create zip file? How you can able to create zip file like this, right? Make sure. Okay, like sir, right here it may take one argument. Sir, we are calling f. F is what? Zip file object. Zip file object. This function may take one class. It may take two. Let me cross check. It may. Sir, it is not a normal write method. It is the write method. Sir, Vedantivari is asking the question. Sir, f dot write. Why you are taking only one argument? Why don't you take multiple arguments directly for the single write? Maybe that may be possible, may not be possible. Let me cross check, sir. Okay, here I'm taking heroes.txt also. Here I'm going to provide. Assume that's a heroes.txt. Have a look once. If there is any problem is there, then automatically it's going to tell. Okay, let me cross check. Observe that here something like c colon for files are written, open file, something like it's going to tell self.open to write and so on related to the heroes. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Let me use some different file name. Okay, files one dot, yeah, like I don't want to take all three. Is it possible to take or not? Just I'm cross checking, sir, because main functionality already I checked. Sir. That's all. So files one dot zip file. Okay, files one dot zip file, like just I'm taking, sir. Now observe. Oh, are you getting? D colon trace back and so on. There is some problem with rise, not implemented. The compression method is not supported. Not implemented. The compression method is not supported. Something like it's going to tell. So let me cross check. Either file got created? Yes. Either file? No. Nothing is there in that. Have you observed? Nothing is there in that. Yes, Vedant. Are you in a position to see, right? Nothing is there in that. Okay. Now let me cross check. Instead of multiple lines, sir, one line, let me take multiple lines. Okay, files one dot zip. Let me remove this one. Sorry, let me remove this one. Okay, let me run again. Yes, observe that files one created. Inside files one, all the three files by default available. Clear, right? Okay, anyway, just a very special case, sir. So how to create a zip file? Any explanation is required? How to create zip file? How? Sir, this is, I don't think, Divya, Can you please cross check files dot rar is required, is it acceptable or not? Because module name, class name, everything it's talking about zip. Okay, may not. Okay, may not. Can you please cross check? Okay, that's all. This is about how to create zip file. So now my requirement is I want to perform unzip operation. Sir, I want to perform unzip operation from some over the internet or from the web page. I downloaded this file. Now I want to perform unzip operation, right? Sir, to perform unzip operation, what we have to do, sir? Just very simple. Everything is the same. F is equal to zip file. Just I have to create the same zip file object. Sir, which file you want? Files dot zip file. Now I have to open read mode. Now I require to open read mode. Sir, now what is the constant? What is the constant, sir? Now which constant represent we are performing? We are performing like, sir, stored. Are you getting? So F is equal to zip file, files dot zip, or what is this constant, sir? Zip store. Remember this one. So zip stored is the default value. If you want, you can remove this constant, no problem at all. Are you getting? If you want, you can remove this constant because it is the default value for the zip file constructor, right? Okay. Now let me perform some unzip operation, right? Here, just I created a zip file. Now I want to perform unzip operation, right? Sir, how you can able to do that? How you can able to do that, sir? Okay, like next after performing unzip operation, sir, now I can ask, hey, in this zip file, how many files are available? Can you please display? Can you please tell all file names present in the zip file? You can ask all file names present in the zip file. You can ask, sir. Okay, what is the way? Very simple. Name list. What is the method name, sir? Can I spell out? Name list is the function name or method name we require to use. F dot name list. F dot name list. Okay, F dot name list is the method. Then all the file names by default we are going to get, sir. Once you know file name, once we know file name, then you can able to read the content of that file, no problem at all. So now I want to go for more meaningful example. What is my example is, can you please unzip this zip file and how many whatever files are there, display the content of each file. Can you please read and display the content of each file? That is about my requirement, right? How you can able to do that? Very simple. Just let me go for that, sir. Sir, F is equal to sorry, F is equal to sir files dot zip. Now in which mode I want? R mode. Next, what is the constant? Constant, sir, can you please spell out? I forgot. What is the constant name? Zip stored. Are you getting? Zip stored. Anyway, it is the default value. If you want, you can remove, no problem at all. So now names is equal to F dot name list. Names is equal to F dot name list. Okay, now I got all the names. So for each name in name list, for each name in names, for each name in names, because already these are all the names, whatever in the file, whatever files are there, all the file names by default I'm getting, sir. Sir, once I got the names for name in names for each name, what I require to do, sir? Very simple. Please print a file name. Okay, print the file name. Print file name is just a name. File name is a name. I just printed the file name. Next, the content of this file is, I want to print the content of this file. I want to print the content of this file is, okay, like I'm trying to print. Sir, how I can read the data? How I can read the data from this file, from the file specified with this name? How you can able to read, sir? F1 is equal to very simple, sir. Open F1 is equal to open name. In which mode we require to open? Read mode. Regarding open in the read mode. Next, print F1 dot read. print f1 dot read, that's all. So first f1 dot read function is going to read complete data. That data directly I'm trying to print, no problem at all. So after printing the next file data, that's why just better to take one blank line. Okay, that's all, sir. Sir, this is, I hope, are you able to understand, right? So in this zip file, what are various file names are available? Sir, open for every file name. Can you please read and print its content? So this is the way how you can able to perform unzip operation, reading the files from the zip file. Remember, let me go for that. Here just have a look once, sir. I'm taking, so observe that, what is the file name? Sir, first file name is heroes.txt. The content of this file, are you getting right? Next one after that, what is the file name? Heroes. Oh, one minute. Heroes.txt. The content of this file is, sir, like, next one after that file name, social.txt. The content of this file is like this, right? Sir, one file is missing. What is that file name? Cricketers. Are you getting cricketers? Am I doing any mistake while saving the data? Am I doing any mistake? Sir, I'm using files.zip. Let me open files.zip. Oh, have you observed, right? Two times I took heroes and then social only. If I can take files one, then automatically it contains cricketers and so on. Then automatically let me go for files one.zip. Then perfectly it is going to print, no problem at all. Have you observed, right? So cricketers names, next and after that heroes names and the social names are like this. Clear? How you can perform zip operation, how you can perform unzip operation, right? But make sure, sir, make sure it is a very rare requirements, all these things. Just aware, okay, oh, this type of functionality is also available in the Python. Just you people should be aware that. Beyond that, nothing is there, sir, in the, if any in our project, if anything is required, then automatically we can able to think about this terminology, right? Okay, clear? So like it is, so in our system, is that zip or otherwise WinRAR? I don't think Vedanta, not required, because I'm creating programmatically, I'm reading programmatically. My zip file module is going to take care. Compulsory, the corresponding softwares are required or not. If you want to open manually, I want to open manually, then sir, you require the corresponding software. But my program is doing that. That's why we are not required to have those softwares. Okay, well, next, Vedanta. Yes, sir, meaning Python is doing it. Yes, Python, my module itself is going to do that. Clear, right? Yes, up to this, any doubt? So can I able to perform, can I able to create zip file? Can I able to perform unzip operation by using Python or not? Yes, if you have some zip file, then open that zip file and whatever contents are there, can you please display that contents? Like you can able to ask, sir. Okay, make sure. Now, what is the next terminology, sir? Legend, this is a very rare requirements. Don't worry about that. But aware, boss, this type of functionality is available in the Python like that, right? What is the next cinema, sir? Sir, working with the directories. Are you getting? Working with the directories. Up to this, we worked only with the files. Are you getting? We worked how to read the data, how to write the data. These kind of things we did, sir. Now, how you can able to work with the directories, right? Okay, it's a very common requirement to perform operation for directories. Are you getting? Very common requirement to perform operations for the directories, right? Like to know current working directory. Okay, to create a new directory. Sir, can you please create a new directory, or to remove an existing directory? to rename a directory or to list contents inside a directory, or in this directory what are various files are available, like sir, for all these kind of things, yes, we can able to write Python program. So Python having that ability to handle directories also. Don't feel that Python can able to handle only files, it can able to handle directories also, right? Clear? Are you able to understand? Slowly we have to discuss about one by one how you can able to perform these operations, right? So to perform these operations, Python provides inbuilt module OS. Are you getting what is the module name? What the module name? OS. OS module is there, sir. What is the module name? OS. Inbuilt module, OS module, which contains several functions to perform directory related operations. Remember that, sir? To perform directory related operation, if you want to perform, then happily we can go for what? OS module. Several functions are available, right? Almost around sir, 10 utilities we are going to discuss. 10 utilities we are going to discuss. Almost 10 operations we are going to perform, so that you can feel more comfortable related to the directories, right? Okay, sir. Case 1 or otherwise, sir, scenario 1 I want to touch, sir. What is my first scenario is to know current working directory. Boss, I want to aware what is the current working directory. To know current working directory, this is about my requirement, right? How you can able to do that, sir? To know current working directory, very simple, sir. Our OS module contain get a CWD function. Can you spell out what is the function name? Array, what is the function name? Get a CWD function. Get a CWD means what? Current working directory. Current working directory function is going to return, sir, what is the current working directory? What is the name? Sir, very simple. Import OS, import OS. Current working directory is equal to OS dot get a CWD. Okay, like, sir, print current working directory. Current working directory is sir CWD, like this, right? Okay, I'm trying to print CWD like that. Now have a look once. Now observe a bit very carefully about all these things. Observe that, sir. What is the answer by default we are going to get? Yes, current working directory is D colon Durga classes. Correct, because I'm always working from which location, sir? D colon Durga classes only. That's why what is the current working directory is like this. Okay, this is the first scenario what you people should aware, sir. Now my second one is to create sir a subdirectory in the current working directory. Sir, in D colon Durga classes, can you please create a directory? That's about my requirement, right? Sir, how you can to create a subdirectory in current working directory? Assume that in the current working directory, how you can able to create, sir? Very simple. Okay, OS dot mkdir. Are you getting? OS dot mkdir. Okay, like that. Sir, now what is the subdirectory name? You can take any name, sir, no problem at all. Are you getting? You can take any name. Suppose assume the Shubham I'm taking, sir. Assume Shubham. So in Durga classes, sir, Shubham directory by default will be created, right? Okay, just I'm taking, sir, my subdirectory. Okay, subdir created successfully, like I'm keeping some output, sir. Now observe that. Yes, subdir created. Is it really created or not? Let me cross check. D colon Durga classes. Can you please cross check, sir? Shubham got created or not? Yes, Shubham got created, right? Are you getting? So what is the function we require to use, sir? Sub mkdir. I hope everyone can able to understand. Yes, are you able to understand, right? What is the function we require to use, sir? Like, now my question is to create a subdirectory in my subdirectory. Are you getting that? Inside Shubham directory, inside Shubham, can you please create a directory named with Python videos, something like I want to do that, sir. So my requirement is something like, sir, current working directory is already there. That is my Durga D colon Durga classes. In that, sir, just now I created a Shubham like this, right? Just I created Shubham like this. In the Shubham directory, I want to create, I want to create, sir. What I have to do, sir? Python videos, a subdirectory I want to create, sir. Very simple, sir. What is the way? Observe a bit very carefully, sir. MKDIR of already Shubham is there or not? Yes, Shubham is already there. In the Shubham, which thing you want, sir? Python videos, like this I want. Then automatically that's it. So inside Shubham, okay, Python videos by default will be there. So make sure if you are going to use this function, compulsory, okay, this is Shubham, it should be already available. Remember that, sir. Okay, it should be already available like this. Now have a look once, sir. Observe, subdirectory created. Let me cross check. Have you observed, right? Inside Shubham, Python videos already came. Inside Shubham, Python videos already came. Python videos folder by default is available. Clear? I hope everyone can able to understand. Okay, sir, how you can able to create? Now my question is, there is one small problem is there, sir. Sir, assume Shubham 1 I'm taking. Is it going to work or not? Array, is it going to work or not? Shubham 1 I'm taking. So Shubham 1 I'm taking. First Shubham 1, is it available or not available? Not available. What will happen, sir? What will happen? Let me cross check this one. What will happen? Observe that. Yes, the system cannot find path specified. Which one path specified, sir? Shubham 1. This path is not there. Then how I can able to create? Okay, this is the thing what you people should aware. But anyway, sir, if it is not there, can you please create? These all path, throughout path, whatever directories are there, can you please create? That's about my requirement, right? Okay, sir, up to this we cover three scenarios, right? To know current working directory, to create a subdirectory, next and after that to create something like Shubham in the Python videos, just we covered. Okay, up to this. Now my scenario 4, observe that. To create multiple directories like sub1, in that sub2, in that sub3, like I want, sir. So sub1, sub2, sub3, sub4, like multiple subdirectories I want to create, sir. To create multiple subdirectories. Like, okay, how you can able to do? My requirement is clear. First create sub1, in that sub2, in that sub3, in that sub4, like I want, sir. Then what is the method we require to use, sir? Very simple. OS dot, can you spell out, sir? Make earlier which method we used? Can you please? MK. Earlier which method we used? MK dir. Regarding MK dir we used, but now make OS dot make dirs. Are you getting what the function name, sir? Make dirs, sir. MKDIR is there. Make directory is also available. Then automatically, sir, you can take sub1, in that sub2, in that sub3, in that sub4, like this we can able to create. Are you getting? Sub1, sub2, sub3, sub4, like automatically the total path by default is going to be created, sir, if you are going to use make directories. Okay, let me cross check, sir. Okay, here see this one. Now what is the function name? I forgot, sir. Please guide, what is the function name? I forgot. Make dir, yes. Okay, like now sub1, in the sub2, in the sub3, okay, in that sub4, like this I'm taking. Okay, all subdirectories by default got created, right? Okay, now observe that all subdirectories by default got created. Sir, where is the proof? Now let me go for sub1, in that sub2, in that sub3, are you getting? In that sub4. Okay, automatically I can able to entering into that means yes, those are directories by default available. Clear? Okay, that's all. This is what you people should aware how you can able to create. Okay, like that. Now my next scenario is, sir, after this clear, there are multiple scenarios we are going to discuss. If anything is in your mind, maybe wait whether it's going to be covered or not. Okay, so how to create, how you can able to know current working directory, to create a particular subdirectory, to create multiple subdirectories. Next, like this, right? Next scenario, to remove a directory. Regarding, I want to remove a directory. Can you please remove the directory? What is the function we require to call? os.rmdir, something like mkdir, rmdir. All these are commands, right? Yes, man. All these are commands, right? Okay, like make sure Unix commands. Yes. Okay, now here have you remembered, have you remembered, right? We have shubham folder is there. In the Python videos is there, sir. Shubham is there. In the Python videos are there. Now I want to remove these Python videos. Are you getting? I'm going to remove Python videos, but not Shubham. In the Shubham folder, Python videos is there. Can you please remove that? Can you please remove that? That's about my requirement, right? Okay. Now observe a bit carefully, sir. Okay, sir, this is anyway task completed. Let me take general statement, task completed. Okay, like now here in the Shubham, Python videos by default will be removed. Can you please have a look once? Yes, task completed. Which task got completed, sir? Let me go to the colon Durga classes. Shubham, in the Shubham, yes, no more Python videos folder. Clear, right? Sir, now my requirement is, sir, can you please remove all the directories? Sub1, sub2, sub3, sub4, all in the path, whatever you specified, I want. Then automatically, sir, to remove all directories. Like how you can able to use that? What is the function we have to use? As a very simple, remove dirs. Remove directories. Are you getting that? Remove directories like, sir, sub1. Are you getting? Sub1. Next sub2. Next sub3. Next sub4. Like this we have. Are you getting? All the things by default will be removed, sir. All the things by default will be removed. Now observe that. Okay. Os.remove sub1, sub2, sub3, sub4. Can you please observe? Remove dirs. Can you please? Task completed. Let me cross check, sir. Is there any sub1 folder? Like I want to check. No more sub1 folder. I have only these folders only. No more sub1, no more sub2, no more sub3, and so on, right? Okay. Sir, in S5, if you write only in sir, in S5, if you write only Shubham, S5. Okay. Well, if you are going to specify only Shubham, then automatically maybe subfolders may be deleted. Divya. Maybe deleted. Okay, 1 minute. Sir, Divya, she's asking the doubt. Shubham and the Python videos are there. Just I specified only Shubham. What will happen, sir? 1 minute. Have a look once. Let me write. Her doubt is here. See, os dot mk make directory mkdir. What I want to take, sir? Shubham is already there. In that, sir, Python classes, like I took, sir. Then automatically, sir, now in the Shubham folder, Python classes should be created. Now have a look once. Yes, sir, in Shubham folder, okay, Shubham folder, Python classes got created. Now my question is, okay, observe that. Sir, os dot, sir, rmdir, remove directory. Just I provided Shubham. Oh, can you please remove Shubham directory? then automatically inside Shubham Python classes is there. Is it going to be removed or not? If really Shubham will be deleted means automatically inner thing also should be deleted, right? Can you please observe what it is telling? Directory is not empty Shubham. Are you able to understand, Divya? Can you please cross check? Are you able to understand? Yes, if it is empty, then only you can able to delete that directory. Okay, if you want to delete that directory also, then automatically, sir, remove remove dirs Shubham / Python classes. Then all the things by default will be removed. That is the reason why second method came in the picture. Regarding that is the reason why second method came in the picture. Now you can't see yes Shubham directory, right? Yes, so these things are permanently deleted or will be available in the recycle bin. Let me cross check. Nothing is there in the recycle bin, sir. Okay, it is not there in the recycle bin, permanently deleted. So before executing these commands, take a bit special care. Once by mistake, if you execute this, then automatically gone. Okay, folders, especially in real time, handling with files and directories, dangerous thing. Even in the Unix also, I hope permanently will be deleted, right? In the Unix also, do you know, permanently, at least alert message also is not going to ask, man. Hey, do you want to remove that? Alert also is not going to ask, at least. At least alert also is not going to ask. Permanently it will be deleted. That's why take a bit very special care. It's moved to the trash, Vedant. In the Unix environment, the things are going to be moved. Okay. Now, anyway, just yeah. Next, let me go for next level. Okay, this is just some small scenarios, right? Now, my next requirement is, sir, can you please rename your directory? I want to rename a directory, sir. Very simple. os.rename. Rename. Then, sir, this is my subdirectory. Sir, what name you want? What name you want? New DA or something like that. Sir, old name, and can you please rename with the new name? Okay, that's all. Sir, observe that. Oh, at least one folder is also not there. I removed all. mkdir. Okay. Yes, Shubham, I'm taking like this. Let me create that. Yes, task completed. Shubham by default got created, right? Shubham by default got created. Yes, that folder is currently available with me. Sir, I want to replace Shubham with I want to rename os.rename Shubham with Shubham. Can you please tell some name? అరే ఏదో పేరు చెప్పండి. Can you okay, Shubham. Okay, Shubham Agarwal, like I'm taking Shubham Agarwal. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. AGRAWAL Agarwal. Yeah, Shubham Agarwal, like this I'm taking, sir. Can you please let me cross check? Yes, task completed. Then automatically, do you know here now Durga here just Shubham got replaced with Shubham Agarwal. Are you able to understand, right? Yes. Okay, that's all. This is about how to rename, sir. Next, to know contents of directory. Hare, which files are available, man? Which files are available? I want to know. OS module contains list dir. What is the function name, sir? List dir. Sir, maybe next scenario, rename also completed. Rename we completed already. Next that, okay. Next scenario, sir. To know contents of a directory. To know contents of directory. I want to know contents of the directory there. So there is one function is there, list dir, to list out contents of specified directory. Remember that, sir, contents of specified directory. But here it won't display the contents of subdirectories. Remember that, sir, it display only contents of specified directory. It is not going to display subdirectories. Subdirectories, right? Okay, sir, if you want to display subdirectory contents also, that thing I will explain. Sir, first let me use this one. Sir, os dot what I'm taking, sir, os dot list dir, os dot list dir, just I'm specifying folder name, directory name. Can you please observe pack1 is there? Inside pack1 module 1 is available, sir, or module here. Just observe com. Inside com Durga classes com folder is there. Let me cross check, sir. Com like this, right? Now let me print that, because it is going to return list. It is going to return list. Yes, I will discuss. It is going to return list. Now have a look once. Yes, inside com Durgasoft is available, module 1 is available, init.py, pycache.py. Let me cross check, sir. Yes, com folder, this com folder contain, these are the 4 things, sir. But it never going to talk about subdirectories level. Remember that? Okay, I want to know in my current working directory what things are available. Current working directory means what? Dot. Are you getting? Dot means what? Current working directory. In the current working directory, what things are there? It means Durga classes, what things are there, sir. Now have a look once. Oh, in the current working directory, all these things are available, right? My .java files and so on, everything by default is available here. Clear, right? Okay, so this is how to display the contents of your directory, right? Now my next scenario, sir. Next scenario, just observe that. So this program, whatever we cover, display contents of current working directory, but not contents of subdirectory. If you want contents of subdirectory, including subdirectory, sir, I want directory and the subdirectory contents also, we should go for walk function. What is the function name, sir? Can you spell out? We have to use which function? Walk function, right? Okay, can you please walk through? Can you please walk through complete path? Can you please walk through complete path? Okay, like can you please walk in the directory so that we can aware all contents of that directory? Something like walk. We have to use which functions are walk function, right? But walk function, it is a small twist is there, sir. Take a bit very special care, sir. How you can able to use walk function? Observe that. Observe carefully, sir. os dot, okay, os dot walk function. This walk function is going to take several parameters, right? What is the first parameter it is going to take? It's going to take path. Okay, well, in which path you have to go directory path. Are you getting? Current working directory, something like directory path. Next, sir, whether you want to consider from top down or bottom to top, because within the directory, do you want me to walk from top to bottom or bottom to top? That's why here top down is equal to true. Can you please walk from top to bottom, top to down? Okay, like next, if I'm facing any error, do you want me to do anything? Nothing, sir. Don't do any activity. If you are facing anywhere error, don't do anything. On error, none. Next, follow links. Are you getting that? Follow links. If anywhere links are available, okay, sir, don't you are not required to follow links. Wow. Have you observed, right? Walk function, wonderful function. How many arguments is expecting, sir? Path, you can able to customize top to bottom or bottom to top. Next, if you are facing any error, what you require to do, you can specify. Do you want me follow some hidden links are like that, right? Okay, like you are going to, sir, observe that follow links to visit the directory is pointed by symbolic links. Next, on error detected, which function has to be executed? This is the on error. Next, top down means Sir, travel from top to bottom, like that, right? Next, this is the path, directory path. Like that's all. This is about walk. Walk is the function. We require to go for that. Okay, remember that. Now, how you can able to use this, sir? Make sure all these arguments are not mandatory. All these arguments are not mandatory. Just I'm telling, oh, in the walk, these facilities are available, right? That's about my intention, right? So now let me go for a small example so that you people can feel more comfortable, I'm sure. Okay, to display all contents of current working directory, including subdirectories also. Are you getting all contents of current working directory, including subdirectories also? Sir, how many directories are there? What are various files are available? Can you please do that? Can you please do that? This is about my requirement, right? How you can just a small chota example I'm going to consider. Observe. Please take more concentration, sir. Import OS for dir path. Are you getting what is this one, sir? Can you spell out? Directory path under dir names for dir path, dir names. Next and after that, file names in os.walk. In os.walk. So if I perform os.walk, where in my current working directory, if I perform walk in the what is the directory path, what are various directory names, what are various file names are available. Okay, print current working directory path. Sir, each directory path it is going to display current working directory path. Okay, you are looking for which directory? Current working directory path, dir path. Sir, if once I execute, then you will get much clarity. Don't worry about that. Next, the directory list. Sir, what are various directories are available in this current working directories? Okay. Now, sir, just the dir names. Next, file names. Print, sir, file names, like this, right? File names. Okay, which file names are there? File names like this. Okay. Next and after that, one blank line I'm taking. What is the meaning of that, sir? Very simple. Very simple. os.walk. In the current, it is always going to search for the each directory. In that directory, how many subdirectories are there? What are various file names are there? What is the current working directory path? Like it is going to provide complete. Let me execute this so that you people can feel more comfortable, I'm sure. Now observe that. This is. Now have a look once, sir. Observe a bit very carefully. First, it is going to search in current working directory. In the current working directory, what directories are there? Have you observed? These are the directories what I have in the current working directory. Can you please cross check? In the current working directory, Durga classes, what are various directories are available? How many directories are available with me? Have you observed, right? These are the 4 directories. Sorry, these are the 4 directories what we have. Correct or not? These are the 4 directories what we have. And how many files are there? All these things are files only. That's why in the current working directory, these are the, sir, what is the observe the output, sir. These are the directories. Okay, excellent. These are the directories. Next, these are file names. Completed. Next, it is going to search subdirectories also, right? Now current working directory completed. Next, com. In this com, what are various directories are there? What are various files are there? Can you please cross check, sir? Next, it is searching in the com. In the com, there are 2 directories are available. There are 2 files are available. Next, in the com, inside Durgasoft, alphabetical order it is searching. Inside Durgasoft, okay? Inside Durgasoft, how many directories are there? Only 1. And how many files are available? 2 files. Next, in that com.durgasoft.pycache, how many files are available, sir? Com.durgasoft.pycache, how many directories are there? Nothing, but how many files are there like this? So do you know it is going to search each and every subdirectory level also. That is the purpose of what? Walk function. Clear? Are you able to understand? It won't leave single subdirectory also, right? Complete thing by default, complete thing it is going to search for that. Yes. Sir, is it look for zip files also? Yes, it's going to search for zip files also. Zip file is also considered a file only. Remember that. If it is not directory, it is simply considered a file. Okay, that's all. This is a beautiful example, sir. Sir, what is the function name we are using? What is the function name we are using? Okay, os.walk. So os.walk, what it's going to do is, sir, it is always going to return. It is always going to return subdirectory, all the directories. So in that directory, what is the path of that? How many subdirectories are available? What are various file names are available? Like this. Sir, this os.walk, first it will search for current working directory. First it will search in the current working directory. After that it is going to search in com. After that it is going to search in com.durgasap. And then it's going to search in com.durgasap.pycache. All these things, how we are getting? Because of walk function only. Remember, os.walk function. Okay, well, can we count number of files? Can we count the number of files? Yes, you can keep on, because these are dir names, these are file names, these are the lists only. Are you getting? These are the list only, right? What you can able to do? Every time add the length of this list. Are you getting? The length of this list, len function. Then keep on adding, and so on. At last, total how many number of files are available? You can able to get. Correct? Yes, ma'am. Are you in a position? We can able to get number of directories, including subdirectories, number of files, including we can able to get. That's all. This is about how to use walk function, right? Remember that. Next, to display contents of particular directory. Okay, we have to provide that directory name. Yeah, the arguments are just what my requirement is. I want to see in the E colon. In the E colon, are you getting? This is about my requirement, right? In the E drive, what things by default are there? I want to know. In my system E drive, what are there? In the E drive, oh, several things are available, man. Okay, not recommended because this is the online system, right? There are several things are available. Anyway, don't worry about that. So yeah, yes, okay. So just what you can able to keep any drive regarding any location you can able to provide, no problem at all. Sir, I want only com. So either com folder is available in my current working directory. Can you please cross check? Com is available. Only com I want. Then automatically just observe that. Only com related. Current working directory com. In the com, these are the directories are available. Next, inside com Durgasoft is there. This is the subdirectory. These are inside com Durgasoft PyCache is there. Inside com PyCache, these are the things. Are you getting complete information? By default, you can able to get, sir. Clear? Yes. Okay. Just I have a small doubt, sir. What is the difference between list dir and the walk functions? What is the difference between list dir and the walk functions? Just now I covered walk functions. Anyone can you please tell? What is the difference between list dir and the walk functions? Yes, just now I told. There is some problem is there with the list dir. To overcome that problem only we are going for walk function. What is the problem with the list dir? List directories. What is the problem? Can you please list? What is the problem with the list dir? Sir, list dir is always going to talk about only current directories. I mean directory, not subdirectories. Are you getting? Not subdirectories. But walk is always going to talk about subdirectories also. This list dir can't go to subdirectory level, but this person can able to talk about subdirectory level also. Clear? Okay, that's all, sir. These are various important things what you people should aware related to this function. Remember that. Okay, Sir, next, there are few more things are available. In the next session, we will talk about that. Sir, another 1 or 2 sessions. One session is required. At least one session is required to complete these files, and then we will go to the OOPS concept next time. Okay, just because very important, sir. Have you ever heard about pickling, unpickling? Are you getting pickling, man? Pickling, unpickling, pickling, unpickling. Have you ever heard about these things? Anyone? Anyone heard about pickling, unpickling? Ayo, no, no. Pickle, man, pickling. Pickle. You heard about pickle, right? Forget about pickling. At least pickle. At your lunch time, dinner time, you are going to ask, can you please give some mango pickle or something like? Okay, so pickling, unpickling. Have you ever heard about serialization, deserialization? The people who are coming from, okay, Java background. Have you ever heard about serialization, deserialization concept? I have an object is there. I want to save that object to your file. Is nothing but what serialization. I want to read an object from the file. Then we should go for what? Deserialization concept. Correct, right? Serialization, deserialization. But in Python, we are going to use the terminology. Okay, is something like pickling and unpickling. Are you getting that? Pickling means write an object to the file, or write an object, send an object across a network, something like serialization is nothing but pickling. Unpickling is nothing but, unpickling is a deserialization concept. Okay, that concept we will discuss. Hardly one session is required. There we will talk about much about these things. Okay, right, sir? Thank you. Yes, right. Thank you, sir. Tomorrow we will meet for the continuation.